down there.
Oh wow.
You guys want those?
Sweet. Look, Kai. He's giving them to you.
Thank you. Whoa,
You gotta take them home.
You want yours with the third one? There you go.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. No problem. Hold on, let me see.
Oh. Okay, let me see.
They gave me.
Oh wow. Let me see the one that you got, Papa.
Gotcha.
You would have never found that on your own.
Thank you.
Thank you.
They had to dig deep in the sand for those. Oh yeah.
I was wondering why he was pulling up.
Me too.
Because I was like, this is gonna be a problem.
I was like, there's no way we should not be in the way of anything.
Right. But he pulled up nicely. He's like, I got something for the kids. There's no way you were gonna find that on the beach.
By yourself. You will have to go down all the way down there.
Let me see it.
They probably sucked that out from where the boat is.
Wow, that's nice. Let me see the one that you got.
What?
You can wash it out when you get home. Put them in the tent. Put them in one corner of the tent or something. Or put them by my bag.
Like that, bro.
Today is what we're gonna call a lazy Saturday afternoon. It's about 5 in the afternoon right now, right?
Yeah. And I finished my volleyball game. My team won. And now we're at the beach just chillaxing. The boys are playing football. Papa, Mama
They
are
can't hear
digging
you
the
because you're
sand.
talking that way.
The boys are playing football. Mama, Papa are digging in the sand.
You don't have to go. The boys are playing football. Mama, Papa in the sand.
But we're having a really good day.
Oh boy.
Daddy.
So, back to what I was saying. It's a chillaxing type of afternoon, Saturday afternoon. And listen, the sound of the waves. I don't have anything to say yet. Yes, Milani?
Can we go inside the water?
Yes, Milani. It's probably cold. Make way, he's coming back. He's coming back. Pay attention to your surroundings. They're doing some oil work down here.
SouFLo. Girl, I watch we like TV, SouFLo.
Yo, my SouFLoTV audience, listen, your boy is officially a ambassador slash influencer promoter on this Vibes Island cruise experience. We're talking about luxury dance hall cruise. I'm already locked in and booked and everything. A lot of you said, SouFLo, as soon as you drop your promo link, then or code, we booking. Well, see it ya, look on the flyer, and then look on me on the flyer. Oh, me look so good. Me show off, you see. Me show off. I was actually waiting on them to send me this flyer. Yes, me I gotta talk from behind the flyer for a minute first because me just feel like I look so good on the flyer. And then I'm trying to show you the promo code. The promo code is SouFLO. Listen, we're big people. Let's get out there and have some fun. And it is official. I am there. Me dede, pa my ears. I actually just watched a video walkthrough of my suite that I'm gonna be staying in on this luxury dancehall cruise. It not gonna normal enough. We are shooting a movie out there. May I tell you this right now. So you see, if you miss it, to miss it to this, but you might as well just leave Earth after this. Anyway, take that promo code right there, SouFLO, and go on over to the VibesIslandXP.com and book now, right now. It'll full up fast, you know, and soon there won't be any room left, and you don't have to pay up front right now for everything. You can book it on a little installment and pay monthly, and by the time the cruise is here, which you have until April of next year, but it's gonna get here faster than you think, you will have it paid off, and you will be skinning teeth boarding that ship and heading out to sea to have some fun on a private island somewhere. Take the promo code BOOK right now.
Yeah, we are listening. One SouFLo on the app. Big up my brother SouFLo, we outside. Victory! From poverty to big dreams, and all my dog them with me. SouFLo, they are with me. Woo woo!
Girl, I watch we like TV, SouFLo. Girl, I watch we like TV, SouFLo.